May see? This voltage 250 must be here. You put 750. Okay. Check now. How you check that one? Give to me. Check. How you check? Try to on that one. There is voltage. Okay. Another. You off. You try to off. Another. You on. Make. Okay, that's good. Another in the other side. That one, put first the one inside. I like that. Pressing. But then put the one and then the one. Okay, that's good. Okay. That one you make, put in your mind. This one is 200, 220 here. Okay. And then this one is 4. So 400, so 380 must be here, okay? And then setting to 750, okay? Put in your mind, How you put now here? Proper putting, how? Your hands. Okay, just like that. Put first, button, clip. Okay, that's good. Okay, that's good, Aslam. Make proper. Okay, and then lock. Okay? Put the lock. Like that you make, Aslam, Put in your mind, Aslam. Always put in your mind. What you learn, put here.
Okay.
Mapi forget. So that for 1 year you know already. Okay?